You go them bulls again. Ole! Oh, shit! What's good, family? How y'all doing out there today? We finna check out these animal attacks, these animal encounter videos. Let's go. Finna jump right into it. Let's get it. Oh, shit. God damn. I'll be gone. Boom. Hey, y'all be careful out there doing them hiking trails, riding them bikes and shit. Motherfuckers be getting fucked up all the time. I'll be gone. Pew. That one big. Hey, they say them bears can run fast as hell too. Hey, my boy. Hey, you better not fall. Oh shit. Uh-oh, BMX. Oh, hell no. Oh, whoa. No way, bro. Bro. Oh shit. Oh shit. Somebody busting. Oh shit. Oh, that bear knew them sounds. Oh. Sheesh. Yo, I seen this video. This is one of the craziest videos I seen in a while. They must be in India somewhere. Shorty got out their car. Oh, god damn. What the? Oh. Sheesh. Man, this another crazy one right here, man. Y'all, that deer attacked his butt. Oh, shit. God damn. Oh. Fuck. Man. Nature ain't no... Listen, nature is no joke. Yeah, y'all be careful out there. Wow. Listen, this is why they call them wild animals. Because they're wild. Check out this video of a dog versus a leopard. It's kind of crazy story right here. Let's go. Dang. Rocky was on his morning walk. Wow, what the heck was that? Man. He walking around like that's his home. Oh, shit. Ah, dang. Cats go straight for the neck. Oh, shit. You don't stand a chance. Hey, only God can save this dog. Oh, shit. Rocky ain't going. Okay, Rocky. Rocky, where you going? Back up, Rocky. Rocky, better get your butt on that porch. Oh, shit. Sheesh. Oh, shit. Bruh. Oh, snap. Oh. Shit. Oh. Good puppy. Man, I love dogs. Oh, shit. Come on, pup. Get him. Get him. That's man's best friend right there.
I wouldn't put your hands in there. 2 seconds won't do anything.
Hey, people gonna learn. They gonna learn about that water. Oh, shit.
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, fuck.
The plan is to lure a shark into a sneak attack.
Hey, you start off on the wrong foot. The plan was to lure a shark.
Like the Surf Beach victims endured.
Oh, shit.
This cage is specifically built with bars on every side except the front, which is all plexiglass. So when I jump in there and float out 30, 40 yards, I'm gonna look like an easy target for these sharks.
Oh, shit. Hold up. Hey, I thought the front didn't have no bars. I thought it was wide open.
The sharks are shy at first, but as soon as Brandon turns his back, they close the gap.
Oh, snaps. Things are huge.
And when Brandon takes an even more vulnerable position,
Stupid is as stupid does.
the animal's confidence grows.
Had to be
Then, out
about
of nowhere,
25, 30
an
feet.
18-footer shows up. And a cage may not be enough to stop it.
You know, teeth on them things. Uh-oh. Like a rag doll. Listen, I don't know the obsession people have with all these wild animals, man. Hey.
But pulling Brandon out now would only put him in greater danger.
Oh, shit.
The safest place is in the cage. If the cage stays in one piece.
Oh, fuck.
One float is punctured. If the shark takes out the other one,
Sink.
the cage could sink to the bottom, leaving Brandon trapped.
Hey, that ostrich humongous. Hey, you know them kicks, man. Them kicks can kill you. Oh, shit. Oh, that motherfucker ran. Hey, he out of there. Get him. Thank y'all for watching the video. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know if you like it. I'm definitely trying to crank out the content for you guys. And I appreciate everything. Subscribe, hit me up, hit that like button. All right.